Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your device OS and the messaging app are up to date, because settings move between versions. Once done, open the app and navigate to Settings, then Notifications. This is where system level and in-app options live. Enable the global notification toggle so messages can reach you at all, and pick a sound and vibration pattern to distinguish this app. You do this first to avoid chasing hidden system blocks later, and to get audible feedback while you continue. Next, you refine notifications for real-world use. Choose per chat or per contact settings so important senders bypass mutes and low-priority threads stay quiet. Then configure notification channels. Enable badges, lock screen visibility, banners, and permit exceptions during Do Not Disturb. This defines when and where alerts show. Make sure to customize sound, LED color if available, vibration length, and message preview visibility. These choices balance immediacy with privacy. Doing this reduces alert fatigue. Finally, you validate and troubleshoot. Send a test message from another account to confirm sound, banners, and lock screen previews behave as expected. If notifications don't appear, make sure the app has system notification permission and is excluded from battery optimization or app sleep. These blocks commonly cause silence. If problems persist after permissions and exceptions, clear the app cache or reinstall, but do that only after backups because it erases local data. This sequence fixes most issues and keeps notifications reliable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.